Come and get your cheeseburgers. Come and get your fries. Come get your Happy Meals. Come and get your cheeseburgers. Come and get your fries. Come and get your hamburgers and your Happy Meals.
This is such a good and a beautiful tree. Yeah. Heidi, this weather is like mostly in Is that a McDonald's truck parked right there? Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe it's a truck. Right, left, right again, and left again. Let's go. Good job, Heidi. Always look right and left before you cross the street. Let's go.
Hi, how may I help you?
Please, can I have a cheeseburger Happy Meal with a girl toy and fries?
Okay. And what would you like?
I would like a Happy Meal, same thing, but a boy toy, please.
Okay. $10, please.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. You guys should go sit and wait over there.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll be ready soon. This would be for one Happy Meal box. With some fries and a toy and a yogurt tube. There we go, that's one. Next one, the same order. Okay. Okay. Alright, here's the yogurt tube and here's the toy. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, whatever, it's fine. Order up! Order up! 2 Happy Meals ready. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Alright, I am done for the day.
Okay, Heidi, let's open it. Ooh, yum, yay! I got my Anna Banana toy. I got my Anna Banana toy too. I got a yogurt and a burger. I got yogurt and fries. What? How come you got fries? A burger. What? I said I wanted a fries. I'm gonna go tell her. Okay, I'll wait here for that.
Oh yes, hi!
I'm missing fries in my Happy Meal.
Oh yes, you wanted the same order. Oops, I forgot. I'm so sorry.
I want my money back.
I have something better to offer.
Well, let me see.
First, we have this chocolate fire truck.
Oh, that's so
The
yummy.
candy doggy.
But
Would you like
no.
this instead of your money back?
I don't know. No, I want my money back.
What about this chocolate car?
I want my money back. I don't know. I want my money back.
I'm missing out, but I know you won't say no to the sports ball chocolate.
So good. That looks so good. Oh my god. Is that a football?
Yep.
Soccer ball? Baseball? Hockey?
Hockey puck. Oh yeah. Which one do you choose first?
Guys, comment down below. What should I get? The chocolate or my money back? Because I don't know. I need your guys' help. Don't forget to put this video a big
Thumbs up, like, share,
and
subscribe.
Bye. So heavy. This is such a heavy box. Oh, perfect. Let me eat it now. What? Oh my God, that's huge hamburger. Oh my. I think I'm just gonna skip lunch. Yeah. Are you having fun? Sweet. It's so fun, right?